Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the new profile section to the LinkedIn.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your or the website on your device. Then you should tap on this Me button at the top of the screen and click on View Profile below. And then you should tap on this Add Profile section button, and here you can see a bunch of options. So you can add information about yourself, so you can add this About section, so you can write about your experience, industry skills, achievements, and so on. As you can see, you have up to 2600 characters, so type it in and click on the Save button if you would like to add it to your profile. And as you can see, you have a bunch of other options, such as you can add this position section, skill section, and here you have a bunch of others in the recommended section, so feel free to add as many as you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.